You know, my being in jail is not, it was blessing in disguise. It was not in vain, because I've learned a lot of things that I can save the people who are in jail. Because furthermore, I've seen the horrible, because I spent 9 months in Hoshimampuru before I got the pay. I've seen the horrible things happening there.
5th of May 2025, but it will be the comeback of the principal mastermind in the Senzo Mewa case, whereby the issue of accused number 1, who does not have a representation or representative, will surface. The court will be expecting Advocate Nisi to finally make a decision as to whether he's going to represent also accused number 1. As we know that he's currently representing accused number 3.